so much. You too. I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Small. It's cool. They just get
A bunch of them, isn't it? Oh, they're babies. Look at all of them. So the babies, after they're hatched, live in the building until they're about 2 inches long, and then they're moved to the outdoor waterways that they call raceways to continue to grow. There's about 250,000 rainbow trout stocked into the rivers and streams every year in South Carolina. If you're ever coming up to the Chattooga River, stop out at the Walhalla fish hatchery. Check it out, it's pretty cool. All the different fish at different sizes, different stage of their life. It's really cool. There's also some places to fish right here at the hatchery. So me and Asher just found this big pavilion out here in the woods near the hatchery. There's been quite a few different picnic areas with concrete picnic tables you can set up at and have a nice lunch. A lot of them even have little grills set up that you can use. We found this pavilion. I don't know if you have to rent this out or if it's a first come first served basis, but it is really cool. It's got a bunch of different picnic tables. It's got benches around the side and the outside edge, as well as a pretty decent sized fireplace. So you could have quite a party up in here. What did you think about that?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good spot. That'll be our camp for the night. So good. There's nothing like a hot dog in the middle of the woods.
Oh God.
So Asher, how do you think you're gonna do tonight on your first camp out when it gets dark and you hear all the trees moving and the leaves moving in the wind? And it's just me and you out here in the woods. Dad tax.
No. Yeah.
Well, parachute hammock from Harbor Freight, I approve. Hey, you ready to build a fire?
Yay! First, let me clean my hands off.
Is it good? Well, we made it to 6:15 until we had to break out the switch. Minecraft it is. But he's had a good day. He's helped me from sun up this morning all the way till 6:15 before we broke out the switch. He's helped me collect firewood. He's been a trooper. We took a hike to Spoonaker Falls. We played in the creek. We built a dam in the creek, tore it down. It's been a really good day. Building dams in the creek makes for wet shoes. All right, Asher, you all snuggled?
Yeah.
Good.
Going down the middle and have the sides covered, a waterfall that goes down to there.
Just barely I did.
I was a military kid in Wisconsin. And
Yep.
Lived in Indiana the last 4 years. Back in Florida. It slid right off the side.